In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money through Zelle on the Wells Fargo app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send money safely and quickly and what to look out for before you hit send. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Pay and Transfer. This is where Wells Fargo keeps all the tools for moving money. Next, choose Zelle. You'll see options for different actions inside Zelle. Go ahead and tap Send Money. Here you can select someone you've paid before or add a new contact if this is your first time sending to them. If you're adding someone new, enter their first and last name along with a US mobile number or an email address. Take a moment to double check the spelling and numbers. Zelle payments move fast and are typically final, so accuracy matters. Now enter the amount you want to send. Make sure your funding account has enough available balance to cover it. You can also add an optional note like dinner, rent, or a reminder for yourself. This note will appear with the payment and can help both of you remember what the transfer was for. When everything looks good, tap Review. This is your chance to verify the recipient's details, your funding account, and the exact amount. Slow down here and confirm every detail, especially if it's a new contact. Because Zelle payments are usually final and cannot be reversed, this review step is crucial. If everything checks out, tap Send. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize it, then wait for the confirmation message indicating that your payment has been sent. You can save or screenshot that confirmation for your records if you like. A few important notes to keep in mind. The recipient must be enrolled with Zelle to receive funds immediately. If they're not enrolled yet, they'll get instructions to sign up, and once they do, the payment can complete. Zelle payments are typically delivered within minutes, but timing can vary if the recipient is new to Zelle. And remember, once sent, payments are usually final. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.